Pixel Bleeder, a dedicated tool for solving one of the most common issues in texturing: the visible artifacts from seams and transparent textures. When a game engine renders your texture, it uses filtering and bitmaps to maintain visual quality. This means the engine samples colors from surrounding pixels. When it samples near a seam or a transparent edge, it often pulls data from the adjacent blank space outside the UV boundary. This blank space typically contains a background color, like black or white, which then mixes with your intended color. The result is an unsightly halo or seam artifact along the edges of your asset. Pixel bleeding eliminates this issue by intelligently extending the actual color information beyond the boundaries and into that blank space. When the engine samples the area just outside the boundaries, it pulls the correct extended color instead of a blank background. This ensures a seamless transition and makes the artifact disappear completely. To fix your texture using Pixel Bleeder, you'll first need to import your image. Crucially, the input image must contain an alpha channel. This alpha channel is essential because Pixel Bleeder uses it to identify the opaque edges and calculate exactly where to apply the color bleed. Even if your final exported image won't use an alpha, the input must have one. You can import your file in two ways. First, you can use the import button at the top of the interface. Second, you can click and drag your image file directly onto the large preview area. For demonstration, I'll be using the texture that previously caused visible issues. To apply the bleed, simply press the Apply button. The default settings expand the color boundaries infinitely until they meet other opaque areas. If you need to limit this spread, adjust the bleed pixel slider to your desired pixel amount. The two other sliders, sample depth and edge bias, control the quality of the sampled color. This is useful if your original image has unwanted boundary colors or artifacts right at the edge. Finally, choose your export options. Enter a file name. Select whether to preserve the original alpha channel or remove alpha to mark the bled area as fully opaque. Then, hit Export. The tool automatically exports to Targa, as this format reliably preserves the essential color bleeding information that standard PNG may discard. As you can see, Pixel Bleeder successfully eliminates those seam and halo artifacts, ensuring your assets look clean and professional, whether viewed up close or from a distance. Thank you for watching this detailed look at the tool and its specialized process. You can download this tool by clicking the link in the description.